Welcome to the channel. If you're ready to level up your photography or videography skills, a semi-professional camera can give you the perfect balance of performance and control without jumping into full pro territory. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best semi-professional cameras, ideal for content creators, hobbyists, and aspiring pros who want sharp image quality, manual settings, and advanced features. All product links and up-to-date pricing can be found in the description below. And if you enjoy reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more expert picks. Let's capture the moment, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX GH6. Capture stunning images and video with the Panasonic Micro Four Thirds camera, designed for demi-professionals and enthusiasts seeking unparalleled quality and versatility. Featuring a powerful 25MP sensor paired with the advanced Venus engine, it delivers exceptional image clarity, including 100MP handheld high-resolution shots. Shoot ultra-smooth 5.7K video at 60p or 4K at 120p with 10-bit depth, all without time limits, giving you creative freedom. Internal recording supports Apple ProRes 422HQ and 422 formats, ensuring high image quality with low compression. Pre-installed Vlog/V-Gamut profiles and an impressive 13+ stops of dynamic range boost your footage's depth and color accuracy. The camera's cutting-edge 5-axis dual IS-2 stabilization provides up to 7.5 stops of shake correction, maintaining sharpness even in low-light conditions. Capture silky slow motion at 300 frames per second in Full HD. A category-defining tool, this camera combines power, reliability, and advanced features for limitless creative potential. Number 4. Canon EOS R7 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R7 is a powerful 4K digital camera designed for photographers and videographers seeking exceptional image quality and speed. Equipped with a 32.5MP APS-C CMOS sensor, it delivers sharp, detailed photos with impressive telephoto reach. Dual-pixel CMOS AF technology with up to 651 autofocus zones ensures precise and fast focusing across nearly 100% of the frame, perfect for capturing sports, wildlife, or fast-moving subjects. With a high-speed mechanical shutter of 15 frames per second and an electronic shutter up to 30 frames per second, plus raw burst mode with pre-shooting, you'll never miss a moment. The advanced 5-axis in-body image stabilization system keeps your shots and videos steady, even in low light. The EOS R7 also excels in video, offering professional-grade 4K recording with subject tracking and over 30 minutes of continuous shooting supported by an extra battery pack. Its compact, lightweight design and ergonomic grip make it ideal for adventures anywhere. Number 3. Nikon Z6 II. The Nikon Z6 II elevates mirrorless photography and videography with a 24.5MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor delivering exceptional image quality, even in low-light conditions. With up to 14 frames per second continuous shooting and a 3.5x larger buffer than its predecessor, it's ideal for fast action and professional shoots. The camera offers top-tier 4K UHD video at 60p using full pixel readout, providing stunning clarity and detail for serious videographers. Its improved autofocus system ensures precise and rapid subject acquisition. Dual card slots, CFexpress/XQD and UHS-2 SD, offer versatile storage and peace of mind during critical shoots. Designed with comfort and durability in mind, the Z6 II supports a vertical battery grip for extended power and easier vertical shooting. USB-C constant power and charging capabilities make it perfect for live streaming and long sessions. Compatible with a wide range of Nikkor Z and f-mount lenses via adapter, it offers unmatched flexibility for photographers and creators. Number 2. Sony Alpha A6600 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony ILC6600/B is a high-performance mirrorless camera built for speed and precision. Featuring a 24.2MP APS-C exmor sensor with a front-end LSI, it delivers stunning image quality with an impressive ISO range up to 102,400 for low-light shooting. The camera boasts the world's fastest autofocus at 0.02 seconds, combined with real-time AF and advanced object tracking, ensuring you capture every moment with razor-sharp focus. Its wide autofocus system includes 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, covering 84% of the sensor for accurate and reliable tracking. Number 1. Nikon D7500. The Nikon DX base camera offers class-leading image quality and advanced features inspired by the award-winning D500. It boasts a large 3.2-inch tilting LCD screen with 922K dots and touch functionality, providing clear, flexible viewing angles for creative shooting. With a 51-point autofocus system featuring 15 cross-type sensors and group area AF, it delivers fast, precise focus, supported by up to 8 frames per second continuous shooting to capture fast-moving subjects. Video capabilities include 4K Ultra HD and 1080p Full HD recording with stereo sound, power aperture control, auto ISO, and 4K UHD time-lapse, making it versatile for both photography and videography. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing easy transfer and remote control via the Nikon SnapBridge app. Designed to perform in temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and up to 85% humidity, this camera is built for dependable use in diverse conditions. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.